do you think money is everything?
Um, you know what? We we
Mm,
had a discussion a few times at work,
mm,
and we found that in a lot of situation, money is a very, very, very big
mm-hmm.
part of a lot of things.
Okay, in our lives.
Yeah, and as much as we want to say that money is not everything,
Mm.
but money can take you places.
So in that case, for you, money is everything.
Yeah, it can be, and I've seen that.
Yo, it's
Really?
it's so ugly when you don't have money.
Yes.
Mm. Yeah, but why do you think instead of having money and you
Mhm.
don't have peace, you prefer to live without money and then you have peace? What do you think
No,
about
it
that?
depends also what you do with the money. The money can buy you peace.
Do you think money is everything?
Oh, that is a brilliant question. I have
Mm.
such an opinion on this. I think, people say money doesn't buy happiness.
Mm-hmm.
I don't think that is entirely true. I think that money can buy temporary happiness.
Okay.
At the end of the day, I think the real things that matter are family and friends
Mm.
and the experiences you have in life. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
But I do think that money can unlock the freedom or opportunities, buys the opportunities for you to have good experiences. Like,
Mm.
say, I want to take a trip to overseas with my friends.
Mm-hmm.
I'm definitely gonna that experience for me will be happiness.
Mm.
Experiencing a different country with my friends
Mm.
or family or whatever.
Mm.
But money allowed me to do that. So
Okay.
I do value that. I value
Mm.
money for that.
You value money for that.
Yes, but I
So,
don't think it's everything. It won't keep you happy. Like,
mm,
you can't rely on money to buy you something, and then you'll be happy for 2 seconds, and then afterwards you feel empty.
mm. So in general, money for you, money is not everything.
You
No.
see,
No.
another story that I must tell you what happened in
Okay.
my country.
Mm.
So there was a guy, like 6 or 7 guy.
Mm.
So that story, what happened?
Mm.
That man, those guys, they get money.
Mm-hmm.
Like they was in Zimbabwe. Then
Mm.
there's a land that land comes like diamond everywhere.
Oh, diamond.
Yeah, so people they go there.
They correct the diamond.
They collect diamonds. After that,
Mm.
so the guys they go there. When
Mm.
they go there,
Mm.
they saw someone putting a diamond in the mouth and then go straight in the stomach.
In the mountain.
And he just eat the diamond because
Yo.
he was in risk already. So he put in the and then when you go home. So when the guy eat the diamond,
Put it in the mouth and
one
swallow
time,
it.
yeah, we're gonna go home. Why you're not gonna go to toilet
Uh-huh.
until take out the diamond? And then after that,
Hello. Good. How are you? Was a mission to find you, eh?
but it was not far.
Yeah.
So when the guy eat that diamond,
Okay.
the guys they saw him eat that diamond. They take the guy
Uh-huh.
and they slot him. They take the diamond out from the stomach.
They killed
They
him.
kill him. You see? After some time, how did you know about that? We saw the guys, the man, guys, they go there and then they give man diamond, blah, 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 blah. And then after that, my guy, some years, 2, 3 years, start seeing those guys, they start dying one.
They are dying one.
Yeah. And then there was a small boy was
The
there.
guy who killed them.
Yeah, he killed that
Who
guy.
killed that person?
Yeah.
They started dying one.
Yeah, so like you stay in Cape Town here, you go in George, you kill someone there, no one knows. It's only you know. You came back here, you stay with the man. This guy just go to Springbok and then he come back with man, blah blah blah. It's luck, you know, people, black people.
Yeah.
And then after some years, those people they start dying one.
Yo.
And then there was a small boy. That boy, the one didn't slot the guy. Just also those guys they just give him money also. You see? And then after that guy start come mad.
Crazy. He became crazy.
Yeah. And then people they start thinking, what's happening? And then when people they dig the story and then they find out, this guy was saluting someone
to get money.
To get the money.
To get the diamond.
You see? And then after that, people they started like, hey, I can't stay in that house. That they bought the house because of the money for blood, blah blah, you know. So even their child they don't have peace right now with that man. Again.
So the whole family doesn't have peace.
Of course. They don't have peace.
So
sometimes it's good to get clean money and then you enjoy it.
Yeah, we enjoy it.
Yeah,
it's good to sweat for your money, work for your money. But on that, if it comes to that statement, money is still number one. Money is everything.
Exactly.
It's everything. Yeah. But now, it depends how did you get that money.
You work for it or you just take from it?
If it's the money, you work for it in a honest way, money is everything.
Everything. If you have that
but
money,
if you rob, if
you don't have peace, you have money but no peace on you. You see? So that's why people they come that way like money is not everything.